Fresh cod with seafood, an ideal recipe for a special dinner or a Christmas meal. You'll see how simple it is. Good morning, I am Viti. This is Grandma's kitchen, and look at the cod loins I have here. We are going to prepare a Christmas recipe with fresh cod loins with a seafood sauce made from prawns. Super good, don't miss it, it's going to be incredible. Ideal for Christmas. Let's get started. Let's go with the ingredients. Some whole cod loins, unsalted and very good. 10 prawns or shrimps. A leek. An onion. Canned tomato, about 80 grams. Half a small glass of cognac. Fresh parsley, a pinch of salt. A touch of sugar. And that's it. Friends, I remind you that as always, I leave you the ingredients well detailed below in the text box. And if not, you already know, hit pause, take out paper and pen and take notes directly from the screen. The truth is that they are simple ingredients and the recipe is also simple. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to separate the meat from the shell and the head of our prawns or shrimps. The trick is to remove the head, open it with a fishmonger's scissors from below and it comes out. We only take out the whole body. We don't want it to break. There it goes. And we will do the same operation with each and every one of the prawns or shrimps. Of course, we reserve both parts. With one we are going to make an incredible broth and the rest, that is, that very good meat we are going to add almost at the end of the recipe. So we reserve both things. There it goes. You see, it's super easy and it comes out whole. Next step, we are going to start preparing that broth. A pot, a drizzle of oil, and inside all the shells and heads. We will have it on high heat until these shells change color and take on a super cool orange tone. By the way, it's starting to smell fantastic. We start soon with this recipe. Well, this will take approximately 2 minutes. We have it ready, so we are going to start adding ingredients. A pinch of salt and also water. Approximately 750 milliliters of water. Inside. Now that we have the water and our peels, we stir and will leave on medium heat for 10 minutes. And this way we will make a super good seafood broth. We take advantage of the time to prepare other ingredients, in this case the onion and leek. We are going to clean it well. Remember to split it in half and rinse it to remove any dirt it may have. We cut both the onion and the leek. Don't complicate your life too much, because then we are going to blend it, like this. So there's no need to chop it very finely. Next, another little step, a wide pot. We add olive oil and all the vegetables we just cut. We will also add its corresponding pinch of salt so it cooks faster, so it sweats, which is the term used by cooks. And to release all its flavor, there it goes. It will take about 5 minutes, time that we will use to cut our fresh cod loins into large pieces, like the ones you see in the picture. We're going to add a little bit of salt. Don't overdo it because it's a sea fish and it's already salty, so to taste. There it goes, I already have it. Next step. Do you see the foam that the fumet releases? Those are impurities that the prawns or king prawns have, so you have to remove all of it. Take your time and you remove it. Well, we return to the pot. 5 minutes have passed. The onion and leek are starting to get golden and are at their point, so it's time to add the canned tomato. If you want, you can use crushed tomato. It will serve you perfectly. Crush it yourselves or buy it canned and crushed. Inside, along with the tomato, we will add a pinch of sugar to remove the acidity of the tomato and also a little bit of salt. There we have it. We stir and we will cook for 10 minutes altogether over medium heat. Well, this is already at its point. It has taken me about 8 minutes less than I expected, so we have it perfect. To take to the blender, we pass it through the blender and directly into the same pot. We're going to strain it with a gigantic strainer like the one I have, and that way we'll get a super fine sauce. Ideal in flavor, ideal in texture, and fantastic. There you see. Look, what creaminess. Oh, what lightness it also has. So it's going to turn out fantastic. We add the stock, we stir. A large part of the water has evaporated, so approximately half a liter is what remains. And we also add the little glass of brandy. We're going to leave it on high heat for a couple of minutes to evaporate the alcohol. From the brandy, the cognac. A pinch of salt to taste, stir and wait a couple of minutes for the alcohol to evaporate. After the time has passed, have you guessed it? You have to add the fantastic pieces of cod. And we will cook for 5 minutes. Not one more, because if not, the cod will become dry and lose its magic. So, 5 minutes of cooking in this fantastic sauce, and we'll have it ready in no time. Here goes the last step. As you can see, the cod is nearly done. So we're going to add the body, the shrimp meal that we had set aside. And we'll finish the dish with 2 minutes of cooking. Just enough for the shrimp to be just right and the cod too. Fresh parsley always comes in handy, providing aroma and flavor. Wait 2 minutes and to the table. What a dish! A succulent fish dish, ideal for a special occasion, for a Christmas meal, for whatever you want a little more parsley to give color to the dish. And we have it ready, guys. It's been super easy. Don't tell me I'm not going to take out an individual portion. There it goes. Some well-cooked prawns or shrimp, and wow, there it goes. Look how it falls. This sauce is thick, perfect to accompany this fish with an intense sea flavor. And guys, I guarantee you this fish is saying, "Eat me." Don't miss this recipe. You have to prepare it. Incredible. Well, here's the cod loins that we've prepared with king prawn, with a sauce, a reduction that we've made super good, with a lot of flavor, ideal for Christmas. Let's try it. As you can see, it falls apart on its own. It's very good. It's at its perfect saltiness. It's fresh cod, not salty, and it's at its perfect saltiness. With the little that we've added, it has a ton of seafood flavor, which gives it that broth we've prepared. And the truth is that it's super good. And the prawns, king prawns in this case, what can I say? They are very, very good. Just right. Those little minutes. Very good. Well, you know, if you like the recipe, ideal for Christmas, this time, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified about my updates. Give me a super like, thumbs up. Why not follow me on Instagram? A perfect wrist thrust. Fresh cod, very good.